In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to change the password of your Netflix account. So make sure you watch this video until the end if you want to learn how. Now, whether you're using your browsers or the application of Netflix, it's pretty much the same process. You just need to be logged into your account and just click on your profile icon, or you can just hover over it and a drop-down menu will open up. You just click on account. From here you can see all of your details of your Netflix account. On the right you'll see a couple of options. You just click on the change password option. Before you change your password, make sure you enter in your current password. If you don't remember your current password, you can retrieve it by clicking on forgot password and follow the steps that are shown. Once you enter in your current password, now it's time to create a new password. Make sure your password is at least 6 characters long. And again, reconfirm your password. Make sure that these passwords match. Now the last thing that you need to do is click on save. But before that, if you want to sign out of all of the other devices that you were previously logged in, make sure you check this box. If you don't want that to happen, then just uncheck it. Once you're done, you just click on save, and that's it. You have successfully changed your Netflix account password. Now the next time you log into your Netflix account on any other device, make sure you type in the new password instead of the old one. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.